Alright, man. Hey, what's up, guys, man? It's Daniel Finley, man. Drinking with Dirty Dale. We back another week, another video. As you can see, I got my African American shirt on, straight from the Legacy Museum in Alabama. Great place. I highly encourage y'all to check it out. So today we're just gonna do a quick little shot, inspired by the Ethiopian flag. So not this one. It's actually red, green, and yellow. So we just got 3 simple ingredients: pineapple juice, melon liqueur, grenadine. So boom, we're gonna start with the grenadine straight at the bottom. It's the heaviest liquor. It's a layering technique that I Googled. I encourage you guys to do that. Then we're gonna do a little melon liquor. Hopefully melon liqueur. We get this right. Then we're going to do the pineapple juice to finish it off. Yellow, green, and red. Go ahead and take that back.